Start your engines, peeps! Let's draw a car that's not just a ride, but a ticket to fun. We are ready to kickstart our road adventure. First, we're drawing 2 lines for the perspective of our car, so we can draw the main body shape for it. Picture it like a cozy little home on wheels, ready to zoom off on an exciting journey. Now, it's time to add the wheels. Let's make sure they're nice and round, just like cookies fresh out of the oven. After that, we'll draw the headlights. 2 bright circles that will help our cars see in the dark. And we are left with the space for that grille. A big, friendly car smile that says, "Let's hit the road," eager for an adventure. Then we'll add the cabin of the car. This is where all the fun happens. We're drawing the roof and windows, creating a cozy space for our little passengers. And hey, Scribble peeps, I know we are having a blast right now, so subscribe and hit that bell icon. This way, you won't miss any of our awesome adventures together. Just a few more details, and our car sketch will be ready to roll into the next step, where we'll trace over it with bold marker lines to make it pop. Let's kick off the fun as we start to unwind. With few awesome circles, our wheels are aligned. We'll shape the car's body, all smooth and neat, creating a ride that's cool, fast, and sweet. It is time to add 2 other wheels. So let's make them spin. Our car's revving up, and the fun can begin. Let's draw some bright headlights, shining so bright, lighting up the road as we zoom through the night. Now it's time to add the grille, a grin from ear to ear, making our car look so friendly and full of joy and cheer. Here's a simple line for the road, bold, smooth, and straight, where our car can zoom off, feeling truly great. Now for the roof and windows, let them shine and gleam. Our car is almost set to fulfill every adventurer's dream. For the end, let's dream of colors, so vibrant and bright, to make our car shine with all of its might. Look how cool and fast mine turned out. And for more cool, fun, and free videos like this one, visit scribblepeeps.com. Bye!